Well, hey guys. So I was wondering, what do you do when you break your favorite 80-year-old pitchfork? Well, most normal guys would just go to Lowe's and buy a $10 handle and call it a day. Not me. I had to go build my Redneck wood lathe, and yeah, I thought I'd show you what I did. So I didn't put any taper in it like the ash handles you can buy at the store, and it's just straight. And until you get down here, there's just a little bit of flare. But yeah, that's what it turned out to be. I know nobody asked, but I was going to tell you anyhow. I was really surprised. That I was able to make that curve. But I had it tapered to fit in here, and then I slid it 3 times in the bandsaw. Put a little bit of wood glue in there, and it went right on, and it made the curve. So that worked really well. Still got to paint the steel, clean it up a little bit, but I put a little wood stain on here, and I think I'll find something to protect it a little bit. I don't know, maybe some varnish or something. I don't know yet. But boy, I'm real happy with it. There's no flex. It is super stiff, which really surprised me. I kept thinking that I was feeling it flex when I had it on the lathe, but what I must have been feeling was the threaded rod on both ends kind of flexing a little bit. But yeah, turned out great. Figured I'd show you how I did this. See, it's just another piece of this same wood. The exact same wood. I just drilled a hole, put a threaded rod, and smoothed it out a little bit where it spins inside the wood. And yeah, turn the handle down, and it's awesome. It fits my hand real good. It's larger in diameter than you buy in the store. It's about the same diameter all the way down as the very end of the pitchfork usually is. But yeah, a little bit longer than you buy at the store. I think it's going to work good. I got my second favorite pitchfork I broke a couple years ago. So maybe I'll do another one. I don't know. It was a lot of work. But hey, I saved $10. Well, not even. I drove to the store and looked at all the handles first. So whatever I spent there. But yeah, turned out great. All right, hey, take care.